going to do a real quick recording of how to do 2.5D objects in 3ds Max and how to transfer UVs. I'm going to make a plane, make it equal length and width, set the lengths to 1 and the widths, and then use a start script and make a new material, have our image that we want to cut out on there, and then go to the vertex subobject mode and then start cutting. So after doing our cutout, we want to go to UV Unwrap, and right now it's using the basic PNG that we put in, and we don't want that. We're going to go to channel, up at the 2, abandon it since we're making a new one, and change it by like rotating it, just making it better and packing it. And then once we're done with that, I want to make sure to collapse to it so it saves the information. It's still referencing the first channel for our texture, but we want to now go to render the texture and set up our render. I'm going to put padding to 20 and then make sure I select channel 2 on our mapping coordinates and add a diffuse map with a diffuse color. I'm going to add a color background for ease of telling the difference, I guess. And then I'm gonna make sure this outputs to the right place. Let's go to 2. That's in the right spot. I'm gonna save over my previous attempt, and now we have a new texture that we can use for our new UV layout. Oh, it looks like I didn't render it quite yet. Jumping the gun a bit. There we go. And now we apply this. It's gonna look a bit odd at first since it's still referencing the second channel. Gonna go to UV Unwrap, go to abandon it, go down to 1, and then we're gonna make sure to click move because it's moving the information from 2 down to 1, and now we have it here. Just to clear, to make sure, or to know how many channels we have, there's a button right next to preserve UVs, and it's the settings button, and we have 2 still. I want to get rid of the second one since we're not using it anymore. We go to UVW clear, UVW clear, go to 2, collapse to the apply it, and now we don't have that second one. And now I'm going to extrude it upward now, and we have our information put on a new UV